Today I'm going to explain about fonts. In Angular, fonts basically we can use for login purpose. We have pi- two types of forms available in Angular. One is reactive forms, another one is template driven forms. In today's session, I will teach template driven forms. What is the difference between these two forms is like template driven forms we can use for simple logics. Reactive forms we can use for complex logic. And template driven forms is harder to check unit testing. But reactive forms it is easy. So I will give few examples then you will come to know. First I am taking one form. Inside form I am taking one input box. Label name. Second, surname. Here, firstly, this is reactive template driven forms, right? So we need to import forms module. Otherwise, it won't work. So here, inside imports and here also. So this is the entire form what I have taken. Simple form, name and surname. So to grab this input value means whatever value I was entered, those value I wanted to grab. So I am using ngModel for template driven forms. We need to give name. Similarly for surname also. So for only single input value, if I want to grab, we can use ngModel. But if we have two input boxes, or else we have multiple input boxes, if I use more than one, to grab that, we need one template reference variable. I am taking template. equal to I am assigning to form group. So it will grab all these input values. Taking one button, type equal to submit. So here I'm whenever I click on button, these two name and surname I need to grab. So for grabbing I'm taking one method submit. I'm taking one method and I'm passing this template to here. So that all these input values will comes to here. Here I'm taking that method and assigned value as form values. Any name we can give colon form group. Then we can console it. So that I will run this one. npm run start. Okay, one more thing here, this name and surname we need to take from ts file, right? So that is these errors belong to that one. Name empty, surname also. If we want to add any values we can give here also, but I am taking at present empty. Small f. And here we need to add ng form, not form group. Form group we need to add in ts file here. So that now we can check. Here issue is like form group we did not add to ng form, so that issue is coming. I will add those details into any, means from backend, for the response which type it will come, that type we need to give here. If we are not aware on those type, we can give any. Now we can check. HTML we can add is all your normal HTML tags only. I did not apply any CSS, just I am using HTML only. So see here, name I am entering Shiv and surname I am entering Parvati. Whenever I click on here, see here ng form is generating. Inside ng form we have form and controls, and then see here name inside we have value. At the same time surname inside also we have value, so that I'm directly for accessing those dot value I'm giving. Now we can enter. See here, so we can edit, we can reverse it, we can modify, we can add colors, everything we can do by using this form values dot value. These values will come. Only name, if I want to add dot name we can give. Only surname dot surname we can give. Like that way we can process everything. This is about template driven forms. If you have any doubts on this, please comment me, I will explain. If you like this video, please share and subscribe so that some more people will learn this concept. Thank you.